You want to dress to impress, but wrinkles leave you looking like a mess. Ironing is a chore and garment steamers are bulky and take too long to heat up. Well, now there's the Hurricane Force Steam Iron, the fastest and easiest way to steam your wrinkles away. The Hurricane Force Steam Iron is a dual-action iron and steamer all in the palm of your hand, making wrinkles disappear quickly and effortlessly. The Hurricane Force Steam Iron blasts away wrinkles instantly. Look at the steam trickle out of this garment steamer. It can barely even blow out a candle, but the Hurricane Force Steam Iron takes the cake, blowing out all the candles with one blast. Watch as this steam explosion blasts right through this wool sweater. Traditional garment steamers take several minutes to make steam, but the Hurricane Force Steam Iron is hot and steamy almost immediately. The secret is the micro steam engine, which generates a superheated continuous steam infusion. Traditional irons burn delicate fabrics, but the Hurricane Force Steam Iron includes a special plate for ironing delicates, so you can harness the power of an iron with the gentle versatility of a garment steamer. It also comes with a fabric brush, perfect for steaming and refreshing your curtains, upholstery, or even your kids' favorite toys. Coming up, you'll see how the Hurricane Force Steam Iron will change the way you iron with its dual-action iron-steamer combination. Here's your host, Jenny Bond.
Hi, I'm Jenny Bond, and if you're anything like me, you like to look your best, but you hate ironing. Well, I have a solution for you. It's the Hurricane Force Steam Iron. Now, it's a garment steamer and an iron all in one. Now, in a matter of seconds, you are going to be able to melt away all the wrinkles in all your garments. Now, look at this sport coat. Now, this is a disaster. But don't worry. The Hurricane Force is safe to use on all of your garments. You simply push the button, and the steam comes out, and it works with those fabrics to pull out all of the wrinkles. Look at the difference. I was able to get these kind of results in a matter of seconds. Not only is the Hurricane Force a powerful steamer, but you're gonna get the best iron that you can take anywhere. Look at how it irons and pulls out all of those wrinkles with ease. You can get all the hard to reach places, right in between all of the buttons. And I love the fact that it's so lightweight, and because it's compact, ironing just went from a chore to right out the door. We're gonna invite our friend Yvette to come on.
Hi.
Come on in.
Thanks
How
for
are
having
you?
me.
All right, I've got a surprise for you.
Okay.
You remember this guy?
Oh, I used to have one of those. I hated it.
Okay, so how about we do a little race?
Let's do it.
All right, we're
Yeah.
gonna do a little race
Okay.
because I like you. You get to use the Hurricane Force
Thank
Steam
you.
Iron, and I'm gonna use this guy head to head. You ready?
I'm ready.
So you're gonna turn yours on, I'm gonna turn mine. On your mark, get set, go. Just in a matter of seconds, you're gonna be able to look at that.
That was seconds. That was
So fast, and still there's nothing happening here.
Look at
what
this.
I love, you can move it around with just your hand, and the steam, it penetrates down into the fabric.
Look at that.
Look at this steam, it's gonna
That's
melt
amazing.
all those wrinkles away.
Is yours even on over there?
Well, it's kind of turning on.
Oh,
You're
no.
gonna get all this water that kind of spits out. Do you want to see what happens? This is say you're getting ready to go to work. You want to do it on your shirt.
Whoa,
Running out
whoa.
the door, but look what I just did. This is the other guy.
Can you just turn that
I'm gonna
off?
turn mine off.
That's not really working.
Well, what I love is this is never gonna happen because the hurricane,
Whoa.
the hurricane
It blasts. You see that blast of steam?
You're gonna have steam like that in a matter of seconds. You just push the button and the steam is on demand. It's gonna
that.
penetrate through whatever fabric. It's gonna melt all of those wrinkles away. So if you're ready to have your clothes looking absolutely fabulous in no time, what are we gonna do?
I'm taking this one home.
Yeah, what are you gonna do? You need to get your own Hurricane Force Steam Iron and try it yourself. This is the dreaded wrinkle factory itself. It's your suitcase, and when you travel, you know that when you open it up, it's like a wrinkle explosion. So if you're at your hotel, now you have to search for a big bulky ironing board and you have no space. Well, the Hurricane Steam Iron is great because it's so lightweight. You're gonna be able to do all of your clothes. Now these are all done. Now let's see what else we have inside here. All right, here we go. These are some yoga pants. Now, what are these made out of? Maybe it's spandex or polyester. Now, you would never dream of putting one of these right here, but watch what's gonna happen. You're gonna get a terrible burn. You ready? Now, you would never want to have this happen to your pants. Look at this. These are ruined. But with the Hurricane Force, it comes with a delicate plate. So watch this. You just snap it on, and it's safe enough that you can put it on any of your fabrics. Now, with the Hurricane Force, we've talked about the power, but guess what? It's gentle as well. you would even be able to go ahead and iron a balloon. I'm not saying you would want to iron a balloon, but you could if you wanted to. And how does this guy work? Remember? Stop wasting precious time and money on bad irons, on bulky steamers, and expensive dry cleaners. It's time to get the revolutionary Hurricane Force Steam Iron today. Here's how to order yours right now.
The Hurricane Force Steam Iron is a dual-action iron and steamer, all in the palm of your hand, making wrinkles disappear quickly and effortlessly. The Hurricane Force Steam Iron blasts away wrinkles instantly. Look at the steam trickle out of this garment steamer. It can barely even blow out a candle. But the Hurricane Force Steam Iron takes the cake, blowing out all the candles with one blast. Watch as the steam explosion blasts right through this wool sweater. Garment steamers can cost hundreds of pounds and can take several minutes to steam, but the Hurricane Force Steam Iron is hot and steamy almost immediately. Traditional irons burn delicate fabrics, but the Hurricane Force Steam Iron includes a special plate for ironing delicates, so you can harness the power of an iron with the gentle versatility of a garment steamer. The secret is the micro steam engine, which generates a superheated, continuous steam infusion. Use the Hurricane Force Steam Iron on silk, nylon, polyester, wool, even denim and linen. It's great for sheets and bedding, curtains and drapes, fabric and upholstery, all around the house. With the Hurricane Force Steam Iron, you're getting a dual-action iron and steamer in one, with a micro steam engine to bring you a powerful steam blast whenever you need it. It heats up in seconds, making wrinkles disappear quickly and effortlessly. The Hurricane Force Steam Iron is lightweight, compact and easy to use. Call now or go online and you'll get the Hurricane Force Steam Iron with base stand, along with the fabric brush head for ironing delicates. You'll also get the brush head perfect for steaming upholstery, the measuring cup and the cleaning brush, all for the amazing price of $39.99. That's a dual-action steamer and iron in one for only $39.99. If you're not completely satisfied, just send it back thanks to JML's 30-day money-back guarantee. If you want a steamer that's powerful enough to use around the home, yet gentle enough to use on delicates, get the Hurricane Force Steam Iron from JML. Go online now.